Hello everyone, how are you? I hope you all will be fine. I'm Reena. You all know that we were teaching last class how to write small cursive A to F. So today we will teach fill in the blanks related to small cursive A to F. So let's start children. Always you remember before start your work, firstly we will mention date. Today's date 15th of June 2020. Then after we will mention day. Today's day Monday, Monday. Then after we will mention heading FILL fill INNTHE the BLANKS blanks ATO2F. Fill in the blanks A to F. Okay, now we will start fill in the blanks. You know that what's come after A? What's come after A? B. We will make small b in 3 line. Okay. What's come after C? And what's come before E? Tell me. What's come after C and what's come before E? D. We will make D in 3 line. What's come after E? F. We will make small f in 4 line like this. Okay. What's come before B? A. We will make A in 2 line. What's come after B? C. We will make C in 2 line. Okay. Now next, what's come after D? E. We will make small e in 2 line. Now next, A, B. What's come after B? C. What's come after B? C. And we will make C in 2 line. What's come after C? And what's come before E? D. We will make D in 3 line. What's come after E? What is come here? F. Now we will make F in 4 line like this. Okay. I will repeat. What's come after A? B. And what's come before E? D. And what's come after E? F. Now what's come before B? A. And we will make A in 2 line. What's come after B? C. Now we will make C in 2 line. What's come after D? E. And what's come before F? E. What's come after B? C. And what's come after C? D. And what's come after E? F. Do you understand? I hope you all are understood. Most important thing, many students don't mention date, day and heading. So firstly, before start your work, you will mention date, day, heading. Then after you will start your work. Okay. And submit your assignment on time and do your assignment properly and proper in line, same like this. Okay. Bye bye children.